Not quite 10 months after hurricanes hit Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, much of our country is having trouble getting certain meds supplied from there, particularly ambulance crews. NBC 10's Sheriff Cobb shows you what one ambulance service in El Dorado is doing to work around it.
No 2 days are the same for paramedic Ken Kelly. The same goes for the medication he uses on patients. Except for the past year and a half, some drugs have been hard to come by.
At first, it started out with emergency medications like painkillers and some of those select cardiac medications. Now it's extended into drugs that we routinely use in common emergencies.
Drugs they are required to carry under state standards, including dextrose for diabetic emergencies, pain management drugs, and saline. And the problem doesn't necessarily start here.
We had several disaster situations in 2017 with the hurricanes that struck Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, where a large amount of pharmaceuticals are actually packaged and produced.
He says the FDA has put holds on the production of certain medications due to manufacturing concerns. Hospitals are in the same boat. The Medical Center of South Arkansas says over-preparing is the name of the game.
When we see something's going to be short, we would try to get maybe a little bit extra from our wholesaler, so we have a little bit of a pad. Beyond that, you can order direct sometimes from the manufacturer. We haven't run out of anything. We haven't, not been able to supply anything. So it's just mainly a matter of trying to keep on top of things and knowing what your alternatives are, and also communicating with physicians.
ProMed Ambulance is monitoring inventory. Managers say they make sure crews always have the medications because they never know when the next emergency is going to happen. In El Dorado, Sheriff Cobbs, NBC 10, your local news leader.
Both the Medical Center of South Arkansas and ProMed Ambulance say that they've never reached a crisis that left them unable to treat patients. Just